Hello again and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Last time in our To Love series, we talked about our trek to the top of the mountain to take a jab at love with our favorite sea goat. And in this follow-up, we will hop to the other mountain peak to take a gaze upon the sea goat's female counterpart. Yes, we're talking the female sea goat we know as the Capricorn female. So, I have to ask again, what is it to love a Capricorn female? For those in the know, a Capricorn woman has a built-in program perfect for creating a sense of style and social grace. She possesses a personality that can be as outgoing as Betty White, rest in peace, a legend gone too soon, or a reserved sensibility, the likes of Kate Middleton. Her base structure is that of a woman who is practical, yet sensible, like Michelle Obama. For her, the perfect partner must be strong and ambitious, with a concrete plan for the future. She's not a 4 for 4 type of girl. She wants the finer things in life, and all that life has to offer. So you need to make sure you're well versed in the best of the best, because that's all she'll be dining on. And also be sure to treat every dinner and every date as an interview, because she will surely be sizing you up. So along with your resume, be sure to have a copy of your stock portfolio along with a link to your ancestry profile. Because if neither of these pushes her to the state of, oh my God, tell me more, well, you'll surely be taken out of the rankings of a serious match and put on the back burner, or put out back to burn. As an example, while at court, speaking of court, be sure to check out The Great on Hulu. It's a great show. But anywho, at court, Leo may be the queen, but Capricorn is all diva. You know, the lady at the court all the other ladies want to be friends with. And she knows how to flop around because she can be as emotional as Cancer on Planet Pity Party, or as brash and pushy as Aries on a heightened power trip. She is very much a social climber with a consciousness for status. She is in the know and in the now. She's not going to get up and go plan a trip. No, she will make sure that she checks out the latest blogs to find out this season's hotspot, because she wants to be seen where everyone else is going to be seen. She'll even pay like $300 on the best bundle to get the ugliest, slickest bob, because the stylist of the moment is the one laying the do. Slick ass, ugly bob. And out and about, be prepared to be on the train to Fake Town, as she will perform in the most socially acceptable manner, because she is always prepared for any and everyone who may be around the corner. It could be somebody rich or famous. No matter, to her, status is important, and she is going to make sure she is ready to receive any of these people, and also be sure to kiss some serious ass. At home, it will feel like everything is out of sorts, because you'll most likely be eating dinner on the porch and watching TV in the bedroom. Because God forbid you chip her freshly laid marble countertops, stain the dining room table, or even wrinkle the fabric on the sofa. To her, these are her treasures, and you may find her oftentimes blowing kisses at these inanimate objects, because they are her dearly beloved. Around people, she can be quite pretentious. I mean, she herself could have been raised in the ghetto, swapping food stamps to pay the phone bill so she can stay in the know and in the now. But before she meets any of your friends, she will want an official rundown of all their status levels and social standing. I mean, how many people follow them on Instagram? What do they do for a living? Anything. She will surely look down on that one friend you have who's renting a chair in a salon, and go bright-eyed to the one who got paroled from prison because of some creative accounting. By the way, to her, the latter is inspiring, where the one that's renting a chair doing braids at the local salon is, how do you say, lazy. To Cappy women, much like the male counterpart, the pretension is quite subjective. I mean, even a Capricorn hooker is in some ways snobby. For her, it's not the position, it's what you do with it. So you may see some hookers with a heart of gold, but then you have those other ones, the ones that are hobnobbing with the high-class elites that are making sure they are cornering the market. It's like famed Hollywood Madam Heidi Fleiss, who was very selective with her clientele, much of which came from her knowledge of society and who's who and where is what. And your sweet sea-goat may not be as ambitious as Miss Fleiss, but she will surely know how to embellish the truth when an opportunity presents itself. So, instead of talking about her great Aunt Bernice and how she was the champion darling at the town hot dogs eating contest, no, magically Aunt Bernice would become the uncredited inventor of hot dogs and has a stake in the Oscar Mayer juggernaut. From fastest consumption of hot dogs to the diva who secretly ushered the hot dog movement, a Capricorn's embellishment knows no bounds. Cap women are not ones for jabs directed at them either. Because just like her male counterpart, she too is challenged in the art of humor and will most likely soak around for days mumbling over any off-putting teasing that was directed at her. Her joke meter is comfortably set at mild or 0, and the only time she truly smiles is when she cashes in that bonus check from work for another stock option. Exhilarating. Like a white sheet in the wind, you may find that romantically she can swing both ways, as long as it doesn't actually involve a chandelier. But don't confuse it with prudeness, because it is said that once upon a time, famed actress Marlene Dietrich was quite the love bandit, and she could easily slip into and out of any situation and steal any and every spouse or lover along the way. She was a player. And yes, she's picky, and she'll be the one doing the selecting. But there are things that she's going to be expecting from you as well. She will expect you to chase after her, woo her, and always put her in the right mood whenever necessary. The only thing is that you might get tired after the 5th or 6th year of doing this. But if you want a surefire way to get her into the sheets, well, like a dog to a bone, just go ahead and toss a diamond in the sheets and watch her do the best Olympic swan dive you've ever seen. I mean, I'm talking gold medal status. But, of course, if you aren't that rich and you don't have access to just, diamonds lying around, a rice cake would do as well, because even though Cap women love a nice gift, they are always on a diet as well. And if you do snag one of these mountaintop hotties, just know that whether she is the center of attention or a classic woman on the arm of a powerful man, keeping up appearances is more important to her than trying to figure out how to fix the healthcare issue, and most times, most important than you. But what's important to us is that you like, share, and subscribe, but it's really important to add a like, as it will help to grow this channel to where it needs to be. But be on the lookout for more from us down the line and continue this ride as we grow our channel. As always, thanks for watching and supporting, and dear Capricorn lover, if you're looking for a woman who prefers work to play and practical discussion over any emotional argument, well, look no further. So, while you pull out the shades to block the sun that is slowing your rise to the top, this one will be laser focused and will surely have an eye on the top of the mountain looking for a brighter tomorrow for her, not you. So, while you pull out the shades to block the sun that is slowing your rise to the top along with her, 'cause she ain't guiding you, remember, the stars are always watching.